Hello, this is the second part of the video where I would show you what I have implemented for this solution. So this is the account detail page, and in contacts related list there is a button called as add contacts. So as soon as I click on this add contacts, a pop-up window opens up and user is given a text area where he can enter email addresses and click on next to process. So um, I have added some of the validations, where if user simply clicks on next without entering email address, so he would be shown an error. And also if some garbage value is inserted and clicks on next, so he would be given a list of all the invalid email IDs, and he would be given an option to continue with valid email address or close this dialog box and edit these invalid entries. But as you notice that there was no valid email address, so if I click on continue, I'll be given an error message saying that there are no valid email present. Now let's go ahead and clear this. So this solution supports only 1000 contacts, so user needs to make sure that there are only 1000 contacts in this. So I have copied over this. As you notice, there are some duplicate email address, but in my solution I have taken care of these, and only one entry would be shown for those three duplicate entries. So if I now click on this next button, and error would be shown to user saying that this is an invalid address. I will simply ignore and continue with all my valid addresses. So this is the page which is shown to me, and as you notice, this email address is new, this is existing one, and if I want to see its information, here it is, contact name and account. This may not be useful for a single account, single contact, but consider a scenario where more than two contacts have the same email address, like in this case. So I might want to see which are the contacts that has this email address. So I'll click on this button, and a table would be shown saying that this is my contact name and its account if account information is saved for this particular email address, right? So this is the extra functionality I have added to my solution. Also, other extra functionality is if user wants to save this email address into the system, so you can simply click on this add contact and he can fill out the information and click on this quick add. But since I did not enter any last name, so it would prompt me to enter the last name. Also, user can accidentally modify this email address, so he would be notified about this, that email address is invalid, so he can correct this. And if he enters this false value, error would be shown to user saying that this is an invalid entry. So I'll correct this, click on quick add, and now contact is saved successfully. So in background, this information would be updated with the new one, and its status is updated with the contact information. I have implemented this using Bootstrap and jQuery, and every link, each and every link, the header value or the link value is saved in custom label, and which is 100% customizable, so user can change the verbiage of any of the text or modal title if he wants to change the verbiage. So that's all about my solution. Hope you liked it. Thanks.